Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. This Equinox is featured in a white paint finish and is the LT trim. Under the hood we have our 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle we have 5-passenger seating on our jet black finished interior. We have heated seats in the front of the vehicle with a power driver seat. Also have forward collision alert, our wireless Apple Carplay and Android Auto, backup camera with our rear park assist, as well as outside of the vehicle, our alloy finished wheels and a powered liftgate. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finished door handle, power locks, power mirrors, as well as power windows and our rear window lock, storage in our power liftgate below with our speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have our lighting controls just inside to the left, some audio controls on the back of the steering wheel, power driver seat finished in our jet black cloth and heated for both driver and passenger. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we have our display cluster with a digital information system in the center. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our cruise settings with our forward collision alert in the center and our lane keep assist. As mentioned before, audio controls along the back, as well as our additional lighting controls on our turn signal. Right-hand side, we have our voice recognition, hands-free. The arrows in check are the controls for our display cluster information system. All of our wiper controls for our front and rear wipers behind, as well as push to start ignition, and more audio controls. Moving to the middle to our infotainment system. If we go into audio to start, we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth audio, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, phone connection, a Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as settings and OnStar. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we have our backup camera with our adaptive guidelines. Below it, we have our home button, seek, volume controls with our power off, as well as additional hands-free controls, auto stop start and hazard lights in the center, dual zone climate control with our sync, AC, we have a front and rear defrost, fan controls in the middle with our auto, then all of our modes across the top. We have a heated driver and passenger seat. Across the bottom, we have a USB-C, USB, aux, 12-volt plug, and storage for our device charging. You can also see our key currently in there. On our key, locks and unlocks, our remote start, powered liftgate, as well as our alarm system. And we have our all-wheel drive and park sensors at the front, leather finished shifter, as well as our 2 cup holders, electronic parking brake below the shifter, storage in the center console with some shallow removable storage, as well as deep storage in the bottom. Moving to the passenger seat, also finished in our jet black cloth and heated for our passenger. Lastly, moving above the rearview mirror, we have our OnStar buttons at the front, dome lighting at the front and across the center for the whole vehicle, and then a sunglass holder in the top center. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving down to our front tire and rim, we have our alloy rim with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap. Moving out, we have paint match mirrors, as well as our paint match door handles with our keyless entry. Moving all the way around to the back, we have a black bow tie, Equinox all-wheel drive and LT badging in chrome. Opening up the vehicle, we have a power release on the back of the vehicle or through the front or our key fob. In the back, we have a 60/40 folding second row seating. We have some storage underneath, as well as storage on either sides. You can fold these second row seats through the right-hand side. We can see we have our 64 as well as our 40 split. Also have a 12-volt plug in the back of the vehicle. Lastly, to close it, we have our power release on the right, as well as our handle on the right. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finished door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker in the bottom of the door. Moving inside the vehicle, between the front 2 seats, we have 2 vents with our 2 USBs for charging in the bottom, storage compartment in the back of the passenger seat. Moving to the seats in the second row, we have a 60/40 folding split, foldable through the back of the vehicle. In the center of the seat, we have two foldable cup holders. You can see in the back there, that is our fold accessible through the back of the vehicle. You can also fold it up through either sides in a 60/40 fashion to make some additional storage. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.